How are you all? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. How do you do? How do you do? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. Let's go for a warm up. Same song we will do it. Do you remember that one? दोस्तों झूठ मत बोलो. Let's go for it. दोस्तों झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है. न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, बस पैदल ही जाना है. दोस्तों झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है. न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, बस पैदल ही जाना है. Remember this one? Very good. Clap your hands, all of you. Today we are going for letter I. I have taught you the sound. Do you remember that one? What is the sound of I? The sound of I is E. The sound of I is E. E sounds E, 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 E. Igloo. The sound of I is E. Iguana. E. What are the other sounds? Okay, let's go for it. In your notebook, what we are going to write? We are going to write color the letters. See, I have done this one. In notebook also, I will give you the copy. Picture. I. You have to color the letter I. Small letter I. Not the capital letter I. This is a capital letter I. But you have to color this one. Small letter I you have to color. Next, you have to write I and capital letter I and small letter I. Do you know how to write? A standing line from red top line to blue bottom line. A standing line. Then two sleeping lines. One on top red line, another one in blue bottom line. And how to write? Small letter I, you have to draw between the two lines a standing line and a title. Yes, you have to give a title. Dot. You have to complete this. This is one page. Come to another page. What is the another page? Circle the letter capital letter I. You have to circle capital letter I. You have to search. See, what is this? Is this I? No, this is A. So, next comes our I. We have to circle this. Circle. See, where you will find the I, capital letter I, you have to circle them. Circle them. Then again, you have to write. What you have to write? You have to write capital letter I and small letter I. You have to complete the page. Next, in another page, I have given you paste 5 pictures of letter I. And what is the sound of I? I sound is E. Again, the letter J. Letter J. What is the sound of J? J. J. J sounds J. 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 Jug. J sounds J. 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 Juice. So sound of J is J. Let's start. J. Letter J. What do we have to do in our notebook? Color the letter J. You have to color small letter J. I have mentioned here small letter J. Color the small letter J. You don't have to color the capital letter J. So let's start. You have to color this one. Color the small letter J. And then we have to write this one. We have to write. So how to write J? A standing line. Then a curve. Upward curve touching the bottom blue line, then sleeping line, that is capital letter J. And how to write? Small letter J touching the top blue line. Make a standing line up to red bottom line, then a curve touching the red bottom line and a title. As we are putting title in small letter I, same thing we have to put it in J. So let's start. J. Standing line from red top line to bottom blue line. touching the blue bottom line, make a curve and a sleeping line on red top line. This is our J. And how to write small letter J? From top blue line, make a standing line to the bottom red line and a curve and a title J. This you know because you have wrote it in the book. Now come to this one. Circle the letter J. See here I have mentioned the capital letter J. So you have to circle the capital letter J. You have to find out which is the capital letter J and which is the capital letter J. See, here is I, here is J, here is A, B, J. So you have to find out where the capital letter J is there and you have to circle them. You have to circle them and again you have to write. What you have to write? You have to write J, capital letter J and small letter J. This you have to write. You know already how to write and what is there in another page? You know that. Paste 5 pictures of J. The pictures what you find you can draw or paste. You can do that. Thank you my dear kids. I am waiting for you. Do it.
Book number 3. K. What is the sound of K? K, K, K. The sound of K is K, K, K. K sounds K, K, K. Kite. K sounds K, K, K. Kite. K sounds K, K, K. Kid. K sounds K, K, K. Kid. K sounds K, K, K. Key. K sounds K, K, K. Kitten. K sounds K, 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 K. Cattle. K sounds K, K, K. Kiwi. K sounds K, K, K. Kit. Once again, K sounds K. K sounds K, K, K. Kite. K sounds K, K, K. Kid. K sounds K, K, K. Key. K sounds K, K, K. Kitten. K sounds K, K, K. Cattle. K sounds K, K, K. Kiwi. K sounds K, K, K. Kit. Kite. Kid. Key. Kitten. Cattle. Kiwi. Kit. Now, my dear students, so practice paper. Circle the pictures whose name begin with K. See, whose name begin with K, you have to circle it. Before that, come here. In this page, we have kangaroo. Kangaroo, not kangaroo. Kangaroo. So, circle the pictures whose name begin with K. Kangaroo, igloo, kitten, balloon, kit, anchor. We have to circle only the sounds which start with K. So, K, 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 kangaroo, K, K, K. Kangaroo, we have to circle kangaroo. This is igloo. We don't have to do this. Kitten. K, K, K. Kitten, we have to circle. Balloon, no. Kit, yes. K, K, K. Kit, circle it. Next is anchor. No, we don't have to do this. Look at the pictures. Color the cattle with capital K, yellow. This capital K and small letter K. 2 cattles are there. In the cattle, what you have to do? Color the yellow color to the capital K and the one with small k green. You have to color this one green. Small letter K you have to do green, and the capital letter K you have to do yellow. Next, trace and write. You know how to write this K. Take your pencil, all of you. K. Standing line. Then from the between the line, blue, where the blue line, top blue line is there, you have to draw one line and touch the red top line. Then again from the middle, touch the bottom blue line. K. Once again from red top line, draw a standing line to the blue bottom line. Then from between the line, standing line, or on the top blue line, draw a line and touch. This is our slanting line. Draw the line and touch the red top line. Then again from the top blue line, draw a line and touch the bottom blue line. K. And how to write small letter K? Draw a line, standing line from red top line to blue bottom line. Then from the between the standing line and between the two blue lines, you have to draw a line and touch the upper blue line. Then again bottom blue line, touch it, making a slanting line. Standing line between the two lines, blue lines, you have to draw one line and touch. One slanting line should touch the top blue line. Again from there you have to draw line and touch the bottom blue line. K. You know how to write capital letter K. This one is new for you. Once again we will write standing line. Between the standing line we have to do two slanting lines. Straight line or standing line between the two blue lines, take and touch the top blue line and bottom blue line. K. K sounds k, k, k. Write K below the pictures whose names start with K. See, so many pictures are there, but we have to find out which one is start with letter K. See, cattle. Gift. No. Kite. Yes. Key. Abacus. This one is our kiwi or jackfruit. Kiwi. Jelly. Kangaroo. So, we will go for it. Cattle. Write capital letter K and small letter K. Capital near the kite, write capital letter K and small letter K. Okay. Key, capital letter K, small letter K. Here also you have to write. Thank you, my dear kids. Do it. I am waiting for you.